What's up, y'all? I know my hair is looking a little crazy, but it's okay because today is wash day, and I'm actually super excited about today's wash day because I'm going to be trying out some new products from one of my favorite brands, The Main Choice. If you are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But before we get into it, please take a moment, make sure you are subscribed, and while you are down there, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. If you follow Courtney and them, The Main Choice and all them on Instagram, then you know that last week she actually launched a new collection exclusively sold at Ulta Beauty, and I decided to go ahead and cop it because I love me some Main Choice. I did not get the full collection. I just got 3 out of the 5 products that appealed to me, and I'm going to be reviewing those products today. So this is her POW collection. POW stands for Products Obsessively Working, okay? And this collection is infused with Venus bark and canca or conca.
What?
I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't even know what that is. Conca extract. It has plantain extract, cinnamon bark, and angelica roots. It's supposed to be for all hair types and is a collection that delivers an impactful finish. It's infused with high quality cuticle sealing ingredients for definition and shine. Okay, so I picked up 3 of the products. I picked up the shampoo, I got the mask, and I also got the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be trying out all 3 of these products today. The shampoo was $14.99. The mask was $18.99.
Jesus Christ.
That is a lie. Y'all already know I talked about the Main Choice masks in another one of my videos. Those masks are expensive. However, what I like about this one is that it is 12 ounces when typically her masks are only 8 ounces. So I really wanted to try it, so I just went ahead and, bit the bullet and I paid for it. And the leave-in conditioner was $15.99, and I purchased all of them on Ulta's website because right now I believe that's the only place that they are sold. I'm getting ready to go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'm coming out of an old flexi rod set. As you can tell, my hair is not detangled. I do not have a pre-poo in because I really want to see how this shampoo works on its own. I'm going to go off camera and shampoo my hair, then I'll come back and talk to you guys about my first impressions, and then we'll go in with the mask and the leave-in conditioner. So I'll be right back. So I have just shampooed my hair with the Main Choice's POW shampoo, and this is what it is looking like right now. My hair is definitely clean, like when I first put this shampoo in my hair, I thought it was going to be more of a moisturizing shampoo because it actually felt pretty good in my hair. I was even able to finger detangle a little bit, so it does have like a little bit of slip. So I shampooed my entire head, but once I got ready to rinse it out, my hair started to feel like dry. Which lets me know that this is probably more of a clarifying shampoo than a moisturizing shampoo, which is fine. It just depends on what your preference is or what your hair needs. My hair didn't really need to be clarified because it hasn't been that long since I washed it, but I mean, it is what it is. It definitely cleansed my hair very well. It doesn't feel terrible right now. I just tend to prefer a more moisturizing shampoo. So I don't hate this shampoo. It's definitely going to serve a purpose in my collection. For those times when I really want a thorough clean, I'm going to reach for this. The smell of this is, it just smells like candy, like some fruity candy or like a fruity drink, like a juice or something. It just smells very fruity. This is the typical consistency of a shampoo. It has like that pearlized finish, just typical shampoo in my opinion. Next, we're going to move on to deep conditioning. So this is the POW mask, and it basically has the same claims on here. It's infused with the same things, and as far as the directions, it says, after cleansing with POW shampoo, apply a generous amount from roots to ends, massage gently into hair, especially the ends, and distribute evenly. Cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dry for 15 minutes. May be left on with the plastic cap for up to 1 hour without heat. It has that same fruity smell. I don't know if y'all can see this because it's bright, but this is what it is looking like. And it's very creamy. Feels good on my fingers. Let's see how it does on the hair. This much and rub it in my hands and go in this back section. So first impressions, I don't really feel I don't have a first impression. I don't really feel like it's doing much right now. Maybe it will feel better once I've sat under the dryer, because right now it doesn't really feel like, you know how some deep conditioners, like the instant that you put it on some dry hair, you can just feel your hair transforming. I'm not really feeling that with this one. I mean, as you can see, I am able to finger detangle, so that's good. I'm going to put a little bit more on my ends because your ends are the oldest parts of your hair, so they need the most love. Directions also said to focus it on your ends, so. All right, I'm just making sure that this is evenly distributed before I move on to that next subsection. It has a decent slip. Like I said, it's not like melting into my hair yet, but you know, I'm gonna wait and apply the heat like the direction said to really give my full thoughts on this. I feel like with the Main Choice, their rinse out conditioners and their deep conditioners, and even sometimes their leave-in conditioners, are very similar. So I did not feel the need to get all three of those. That's why I only got the mask and the leave-in. I also did not get the gel. There is a gel in this collection, only because I just have so many gels that I need to get through, and I just did not want to add another gel to my collection. Alrighty, y'all, I have just applied that deep conditioner all throughout my head, and as you could see from the clips, I was able to detangle my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, which lets me know that this deep conditioner does have a decent amount of slip. It doesn't have the most slip, but it has a decent amount, enough for you to be able to detangle. Feeling it on my fingers and while I was putting it in my hair, it is very moisturizing, but as you guys know, the true test with the deep conditioner is how my hair will feel after I have rinsed it out. So I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. I'm going to put this plastic cap on, and after I have rinsed my hair out, I will come back, give you guys my thoughts on the deep conditioner, and then go in with the leave-in. I'm back. So I have just rinsed that deep conditioner out of my hair, and I have to say my hair feels really good. Like, it's very soft and it feels hydrated, which is always a plus because that lets me know that the product did what it was supposed to do. It penetrated my strands, and it just did a really good job deep conditioning. So my curls aren't really very defined right now, but that's okay. I don't really look for cleansing and conditioning products to define my hair, so that's fine. Leave-in conditioner for my final product for this video. Again, it's infused with all of that same stuff. It says it delivers an impactful finish, seals the cuticles for definition and shine. The direction says, after conditioning with our POW mask, apply generously to clean, damp hair, distribute evenly throughout hair from roots to ends, and style as desired, use as needed. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go today, which I'm not going to show in the video because this is a product review, not a wash and go video. In my next video, I'm actually going to be using a new product for a wash and go. So if you are interested in that, then just stay tuned. But we're going to go ahead and go in with this leave-in conditioner. It has that same fruity smell. So I'm just going to take about that much, rub it into my hands to get it nice and warm, and apply it. Really good on my hair so far. It is moisturizing. I don't see that it is defining my hair, but again, I'm going to be putting a styling product on it that will define it, so I don't really care if this defines or not, but one of the claims is that it's supposed to define, so just putting that out there. thing I am noticing, I feel like all of the Main Choices leave-ins do this, but it's kind of like foaming up a little bit. I don't know what's up with it, but it is creating like a little bit of a foam. All right, y'all, I just finished putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, so let me just go through these products and give you my final thoughts. So as far as the shampoo goes, like I said, it is just a typical shampoo. It wasn't anything amazing that just knocked my socks off. It did cleanse my hair really well. It did smell good. However, this, like I said, is more of a clarifying shampoo than a moisturizing shampoo. It did feel good in my hair and I was able to finger detangle, but once I rinsed it out, my hair did feel really dry and like it was screaming for conditioner or deep conditioner. So is this something that I will repurchase again? Probably not. Not because I didn't like it, but because I have other shampoos in my collection that I just prefer over this one, that I would rather, you know, pick up than this one. So again, it's not a bad shampoo, but it just didn't like wow me. But it did do a good job of cleaning my hair. I did really like the mask. Out of the 3 that I tried today, I would say that this one was probably my favorite product. It was very moisturizing, very hydrating. My hair felt very soft when I rinsed this product out. Like I said, I did use heat with it, so I don't know if it would have made a difference not using heat, but the directions did say use heat. So I do recommend that you follow the directions if you use this mask. Do I like it enough to repurchase it? Not for $18.99. If I catch this on sale, or if it's like a buy one get one type situation, then yeah, I'll definitely repurchase this because it is a really good mask. It does exactly what a deep conditioner needs to do. I just don't think it's worth $18.99. Like, that is a lot of coin for a product, even if it is a 12-ounce product. Like, I just feel like that's a little bit too much for me. So I do recommend this. However, I probably won't repurchase it unless it is on sale. And then we have the leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is just typical of the Main Choice leave-in conditioners. I do feel that it is moisturizing. However, I don't like that when you put it in on wet hair, it like foams up a little bit. I just don't feel like I want my leave-in conditioner to be foaming up. However, I liked it. I just didn't love it. And I don't think it's worth $15.99 in my honest opinion. So would I repurchase this? Probably not, especially not for $15.99. So I guess all in all, this collection is not one that just knocked me off my feet. I do love me some Main Choice products. I just feel like there's some collections that are just like bam, they just really just do what you need them to do, and then there's some collections that are just like it's alright, but it's not anything that I would like be running out to the stores to get. This collection is one of those in my opinion. Like I said, I did not get the conditioner and I did not get the gel. So if y'all have tried the conditioner and the gel, let me know in the comment section below what you think about those. If you're planning to get them, if you already ordered them, let me know. If y'all want me to get the gel, I mean, I think I'm probably gonna wait to see some other reviews on it before I go ahead and buy it. But you know, let me know in the comment section if that is something that you would like to see. Other than that, that is pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, this was just a product review, so I'm not going to be styling on camera. If you enjoyed the video though, I hope you did. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.